Alright, let's see what else. Now I gave our money, nice. Alright. You know what? We're gonna do Zamazu. I should probably do the hardcore grinders. You know, I'll do the hard ones first, because those guys are hard. Back then, hardcore grinders weren't hard, but now they are hard now. Freaking, I wonder how to update. Let's see. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna do hardcore grinders. I'm gonna do it, guys. It's gonna be tough, but you know what? I'm gonna do the tough ones first. Might as well. Watch this, guys. Let's see how tough they are. Alright, good. No one's there. So if I'm gonna do like this, they're gonna do super rush on me. Look, look, look. Just watch. Are they? Wait. Are they or no? Or I must be mistaken. Wait, it's only 3? Oh, okay, there you go. Hold on. Do they do super rush? I need to try it. I need to test it out. I'm not sure if they do. Come on. Show yourself. Okay. I think it's good. I mean, back then, guys, they used super rush earlier. When I was using my Namekian. It was tough. Well, you know what? Whatever. I guess it's good. Now I'm going to get multi-count, guys. So, teleport. And I'll deal with them. Alright, guys. So, anyways, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Man, I wonder about the Majin and the Namek. I think those guys, do they use super rush? I mean, Majin, I mean, do they charge at me? That's what I'm trying to say. Kind of curious. But yeah, I still gotta pause it, guys. See you in a bit. Alrighty, guys, just 3 more. Looks like someone's here, but I better try not to get followed when I finish this mission. I'm sorry, but I have to take your kill, man. Sorry, bro. My fault. I mean, I'm just trying to finish, man. That's what I'm trying to do. Alright. Bet you he's scared because I got my ult. So, just so you know. I'm gonna go hide, so. Alright, well, just in case if he attacks, I got my Android. Hope he doesn't have it compared to my human earlier yesterday. I better make this. Better not mess with me. You know what? Let me move on first. Hold on. Okay, I was hiding here, guys. Don't want to take the risk. Alright, spend the points. Alright, I'm gonna do the Mega Infusion, you know.